Introducing SmartBeat, a patient health monitoring system using IoT which can sense and monitor health parameters such as body temperature, blood oxygen, heart rate, room temperature, and humidity. The healthcare industry faces the challenge of providing timely and accurate health monitoring system. Therefore, how does this system works?
So what do you prove that the sensor work? So this is for the sensor pin out and pin diagrams for the sensor. So this is circuit diagram and the connection for this sensor. So this is Arduino coding for testing that temperature sensor it work. So this video that I hit the temperature with my hand, so the temperature followed my temperature of my body. So the temperature will increase. So this is for data for serial monitor that increase the temperature when I hit the sensor. So graph and result. This graph result for temperature versus voltage. So this table for temperature detection performance that has sensitivity, resolution, linearity, and linearity range. So this range is I use 25 to 50 degrees Celsius because it's normal to temperature of human body. That's all for me.
To make sure the sensor we use works properly and accurately, I have tested it by connected to a simple circuit and compiled it with coding using Arduino IDE. I also connect a digital multimeter along with the circuit design, therefore I can collect more details about this sensor type, sensitivity, resolution, linearity and linearity range. I have followed these following methods to record the value of the voltage, humidity and the temperature to make it into a scatter plot graph where it's easy to analyze. Here I have attached the final result and my findings after analysis the collected data. To be more interesting, I have choose two different environments to record the reading of the temperature and the humidity to find out there is any changes in voltage reading in outdoor and indoor. Finally, I have successfully found out the detection performance of the sensor in two different places, which is indoor and outdoor. Unfortunately, I could not able to find out the value of sensitivity and linearity when the DHT sensor operates in indoor. This is the connection that I have made and the output that I gain when I run it in the Arduino. Here we can see how the sensor works and show the result at serial monitor. This is the graph, pulse rate versus voltage. To get the pulse rate detection performance from the data collected, I get the value of sensitivity, resolution, linearity and linearity range. This is the value that I have gained from the data. That's all from me. Thank you.
And here is the circuit diagram for the connection of our project. And you can see here the connection here. The negative part all will connected to the GND, and all the positive part will connect to the 3 watts, which is the red color line here. You can see that. And the other sensor pin will be located at D5, D18, D19, D21, D22. We are using the Arduino to run our coding, and before running this coding, all the libraries should be included is the Wi-Fi, web server, wire, max20100, pulse oximeter, 1 wire, Dallas temperature, DHT. Make sure before run the code, all the library has installed. After that, here is the output result for coding after successfully run. It shows that the room temperature, the room humidity, the BPM, SP02 and the body temperature. So when you touch the sensor, The oximeter sensor will out the output, which is the beat detected, and it will come out the BPM and the SpGO2. So here's the output result holding view from the web server, which is here. The room temperature is 30 and the room humidity is 48% and the heart rate is 65 BPM and the blood oxygen is 96%, and the last one is the body temperature, 30 degree. It will be same as the room temperature because I'm testing in the room temperature. Just assume that the room is 30 degrees Celsius.